everyone, this is Madeline from the New Brighton Library, and this week we're going to be doing an engineering challenge. So in your bag, you should have gotten a bag of marshmallows and a bag of toothpicks. And then also a little booklet about this big with pictures of different kinds of famous landmarks throughout the world to give you some inspiration. Before you start, I just want to remind you that these marshmallows are for science and not for eating. I know it's going to be a hard temptation to resist, but please try your best. The challenge is to see what you can build with just marshmallows and toothpicks. So you could try to build one of the landmarks in your little flip book. You could try to build the tallest tower using all of your marshmallows and toothpicks, or you can try and build your own creation and just be creative with it and have fun. And definitely send us pictures if you make something really cool. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of a demonstration and giving you some ideas. You want to start to think about what kinds of shapes could you make with toothpicks and marshmallows. And once you figure out what kind of shapes you can make, then you can start thinking about, well, what kind of building do I want to make? Or what kind of structure? A good easy thing to start off with is see if you can make a cube. A three-dimensional cube like mine. Might be a little bit crooked, mine is, but something pretty easy, and you could try that out and see if you can make that. And then you could think about, well, what could you make if you put a whole bunch of cubes together? Or maybe you could just keep building onto your cube and see what you end up with. So after our cube, what other geometric shapes can you think of? I think I'm going to try and do a pyramid. So another easy thing to make is a pyramid. And you might find a picture reminding you of this in your flip book if you see the pyramids of Egypt. So here's my little pyramid. Now you could put a couple marshmallows and toothpicks together on the bottom to make it bigger, and you'd end up with a bigger pyramid. And then if you happen to put your cube and your pyramid together, you end up with a little house. So I think that I'm going to try to make the Eiffel Tower. Let's see how this goes. You can also break your toothpicks if you need to, if you're building different shapes, or you just want a smaller toothpick to put the marshmallows closer together. Alright, here is my completed Eiffel Tower. It's having a bit of a problem staying up, but I think it turned out pretty cool. So I hope you guys had fun doing this engineering challenge. I hope you're able to build something really cool. Definitely, like I said before, send us some pictures if it turns out really neat. And keep checking back on the New Brighton Library Facebook and Instagram pages to stay up to date on all of the new science experiments and fun activities we have going on. Thank you so much.